happening, guys. I've got this Ultegra front mech. I had it with a job lot of eBay stuff that I ordered, and it was missing the bolt, and I noticed it was damaged as well where the thread is. So I'm just going to show you today using a Clark's threading repair kit, just a quick repair on it. So firstly, let's whack it in the vise. I'm just going to pinch it on this flat edge here, just so I don't damage any of the mech. Just like that. Being an Ultegra, it's worth trying to save it if I can. Okay, there we go. So I've just pinched that in place there. Right, so let's show you what I've got. This is a M6 thread repair kit. So we've got the tap, the drill bit, and the little repair itself, little spring. So I'm just going to put the drill bit in. Right, so let's just drill a hole. If this was to fail, then it's not the end of the world. It's just going to be put in the bin. So just to try and see if we can get it back to a usable condition. Right. Let's just see. Okay, so I've got the tap and just connected to a adjustable spanner. So just pop that in there. Do that thread off. Difficult to do while holding the phone. So I'll take that right down to the bottom. So I've gone down with the tap, as you can see. I think that went down to the bottom. Right, so with that done, we now just need to grab in these and simply, where am I? Okay guys, so with that in place there, we start to screw the coil down. Hopefully it'll go right down. A bit more, come on. Right, okay. So that should now. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that looks pretty good. So now with a slightly bigger, well, it's the M6, so bigger than the original one, but doesn't go down. The bolt doesn't go down very far. See if I can just give that a few more turns. it's enough for it to bite. Could have done with that little piece down the bottom snapping off, which I'm pretty sure is what's supposed to happen. Just allowing that bolt to go down a little bit more. No. Right, so I'm just going to set up a clamp on here and just see if that will pinch up against the bracket, but I'm happy with that. That's pretty solid. Nice little repair, save throwing it in the bin. So I've got it on the bracket there as it would be on the bike. As you can see, I've had to use just a couple of washers on this bolt as it is too long, but you could always cut down the bolt to save using them washers. And let's just nip it up. Solid. That is absolutely perfect. Nice mech saved from the bin. So there you have it, guys. Nice little repair. So if you've got a mech similar to that, where the thread is easily threaded, because obviously it's just aluminium, then you can do a repair on it just like this one. Well, yeah, I hope that helps somebody anyway. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Instead of using these two washers, I got the original bracket and just drill the bigger hole in it. So just to update you on that, save using a pair of washers. So as you can see, that's the original clamp on there. Just looks neater and finishes it off better instead of those couple of washers. But yeah. Cheers.